guys, it's Marco here at Fully Loaded Cars. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of our prep room. This is a bonnet we're preparing. It's off the Rover P2 Retro mod. Links down below for our Insta and TikTok, so check them out please. Under here we've got an RB26, which is for an upcoming project, very special project, so keep tuned for that. Where else we got here? Blasting cabinet for blasting our parts, infrared heater, storage, spot welder, and Laszlo's corner. Laszlo is our prep and paint guy, and this is where he stores his paints, his DAs, masks, visors, what have you. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and remember, we build dreams.